Alright, so we've made it to almost the top of the hill. It's quite a hike. It's not like Hollywood sign hike, but it's a nice little climb. I couldn't imagine being old and doing it every day as a prisoner. So that's the cell house. I'm not going there quite yet because we've made it to the gardens of Alcatraz, and they're open. Today's been awesome here. The bird trail is open. The gardens are open. It's pretty cool. Look at this architecture, and gotta remember this is a prison, although it was a fort first. It's just the views, man. All kinds of little plants here, and imagine being a prisoner and that's all you had to do. A place like this. You can see the water tower there with the home of the Indian land, peace and freedom. I'm so surprised how many people don't know about that. I didn't. I did before I came, but I only found out recently. Looks like that exit's blocked off. Another closed area. This is like the Civil War part of it. You can just see the oldness. You know, like the bottom of it. The foundation is where that was. Just imagine being out here tending your flowers and turn around and see that. I don't know. I mean, that's a pretty big punishment. I don't know. Is it though? I mean, they're gonna have to be in prison anyway.
Is the agave hike pretty good? The agave trail?
Yeah, it's not easy. You can get a really good view.
Exciting. Awesome. Well, we'll do some more of these photos.
Here you go, sorry.
Alright.
Another closed area, but you can see the buildings. Yeah, I hope those people do take that walk because what's this? Oh, the stairs. Man, I regret not walking down that tunnel now. Oh well. Hey, you guys should definitely take that that bird gulch or whatever thing.
The trail?
Yeah. Hey man, you can see, like she said, the Golden Gate Bridge, and you can see the skyline really good right now. Hey, look, it's a perfect spot for a once in a lifetime picture.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome. Okay, so I think I found the way back out. There's a lot of climbing stairs. Let it go out here. Oh, I'm trying to touch everything. I'm not supposed to go up there again. Okay. Take this back. I'll come back. Thank you, though. I will come back too, but I'm on a mission. Okay, so I'll come back to this when we get in here.